Welcome back to Mindfuel Minute, your go-to place for bite-sized wisdom from the world's best books. Today, we are exploring Part 3, Chapter 8 of How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The chapter is called A Formula That Will Work Wonders for You, and it truly is a communication game-changer. Dale Carnegie's big idea is both simple and powerful. If you want to guide or correct someone without making them defensive, always begin with genuine praise. People crave appreciation, and even the smallest compliment can open the door to meaningful feedback. Instead of jumping straight to criticism, acknowledge effort or past successes first. Another key tip is to use the word "and" instead of "but." For example, say, "You did a fantastic job on this project, and with a few tweaks, it could be even better." This approach feels supportive, not critical. This formula works everywhere. At work, start feedback with praise before suggesting improvements. In relationships, focus on what your partner or friend is doing right first. For parenting or mentoring, highlight progress and use "and" to encourage growth. Praise plus suggestion is a subtle but powerful shift. When people feel recognized, they are more open to feedback and motivated to improve. Try this formula in your next conversation. You might be surprised at the wonders it works.